My dear students, this is Dr. Satish Polshettiwar from School of Pharmacy, MIT World Peace University, Pune, India. Today, we will discuss and I'm giving you one of the important demonstration of in silico admit analysis by using a Swiss admit software. This is very important software. One can predict the admit study, that is nothing but the absorption, distribution, metabolism and toxicity of any molecules, okay, with the help of a web-based free online server. So we all know we are moving towards the pharmacoinformatics. We are supposed to use this pharmacoinformatics, bioinformatics, chem informatics for drug delivery and drug design. So probably this is the one of the important tools where one can use for getting this kind of admit analysis. So let's begin with this. The software name that is called as Swiss ADME. This is a free software, web-based software, where we can use this software to compute a physiochemical descriptor as well as to predict ADME parameter, pharmacokinetic properties, drug-like natures as per the Lipinski rule. We understood. That is, every drug have that drug-like characteristics. Then and only when you can use that drug molecule for formulation, fabrication of that particular dosage forms. Because this kind of knowledge will be always support and that will facilitate the drug discovery and development process. This is very important. So I'll be taking on this software. There are multiple software. Okay, so today I'm taking on the Swiss admit. Then probably next my video you could see the Predmet, then this Mollis inspiration. So there are different number of softwares are there. Okay, today we will discuss on this Swiss admit software. So let's I'll be taking on the software. Okay. So this is the web link. You can just visit this swissadme.ch. Okay, so you will get this kind of website. So see what is the requirements. So if you want to search the any molecules properties, okay, so we need in the SMILE format. So you can just enter the SMILE. You can draw the structure over here. We can use these tools to draw your structures, and you can get all the admit properties over here. So if you don't if the molecule is new one, you cannot draw. Okay, if it is already exist, you can just visit the PubChem database. This is the PubChem database. I'll be taking on that also. So just take the example. Okay, you click on the PubChem, then you just put the molecule name that you are going to get the admit parameters. Okay, so I'm just putting aspirin. Okay, over here. So you'll be getting here aspirin molecules. Okay, everything. Just click on the aspirin. So we need this the SMILE format. So look at this. You'll be getting the all 3D structures over here and all. So we need this format. Okay, I'll be taking on that just to predict the admit properties. Properties we need. Okay, and that is called as canonical SMILE format. Okay, you have to just copy this one. Okay, like this, and just paste it in this enter SMILE here. Okay. You have to put it like this. Yeah, you can draw the structure over here and you can pull this, not an issue. Because this is very important free web tools to evaluate the pharmacokinetics, drug likeness properties, medicinal chemistry friendliness of small molecules. Okay, we all know. So you can just run, just the moment you click on run, then probably you'll be getting your results after a few seconds. Just I'm clicking on this run button. Now you can see over here, once you click on that, you'll be getting the entire molecule details, starting from the molecular weight. We all understood the molecular weight as per Lipinski rule is always less than 500 molecules, 500 Daltons. Then and only it will be act as a we can say good candidate for your further process. Okay. Now it is 180.16 gram per mole. Then number of V atoms you all know, rotable bonds, everything is given as per the Lipinski rule. We all know the hydrogen bond acceptor always less than 10, so it is 5. A donor should be always less than 5. It is 1. Means it is the within the range. Means drug is having the drug like characteristics. Molar refractivity always we expect in between 40 to 130. Now it is in the range of that Lipinski rule. If you take out higher side, because there are different rules are there, but we mostly follow the Lipinski rule. Opera rule is there, which follow the some lower range. Okay. Then this is also very important parameters. Okay, that is called a topological surface area. We always measure this. Okay, this is very important parameter. One can predict whether drug is having that the hydrogen bondings. One can predict the solubility of the drugs, whether it is having soluble or not. Okay, so if it is more than 40-50, then we can say drug is highly. Drug is having the solubility properties. Okay, drug is having that hydrogen bonding and solubility parameters. Then log P is very important. As per the Lipinski rule, the drug molecule must be having log P less than 5. So this is the value, you can get it over here. Okay, then you will be getting water solubility also here. So now it is class, you can get this drug is very soluble, because here if you see the conformation and this topological surface area is more than 63, means it's having highly solubility. This is the kind of things we can mimic. You can use this in silico approach for your predictions. This is kind of nothing but the chem informatics, a bioinformatics data, where we can utilize. This is the different pharmacokinetics. Okay, GI absorption is very high, blood-brain barrier permission is yes, PGP substrate no. So there are different kind of the kinetic property you'll be getting, so that we can design the drug molecule. You can use the different polymers to deliver the drug at particular the site of action. Drug likeness properties, as per Lipinski rule, there is no violation over here, 0 violations. Ghost rule also is carry with that also. Viability is 0.85. So this is the kind of things we can get it. Okay, and we can this kind of bioinformatics tool is going to be useful for prediction of that ADMET properties. I hope you understood this. This is very important I think tools to get ADMET property of any new or small molecules. I hope this will be the this is going to be very helpful tools for your research purpose. Okay, R&D purpose. Thank you for your patiently hearing my session. And if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and like it, so that you can get all updated video from my side. Thank you once again to all of you.